Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today you join me here in Great Yarmouth. Hopefully you can see behind me because it is a really nice sunrise, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I'm up so early. I'm here to do a video shoot with the Lamborghini Huracan. I've not seen too much of the car. I got sent a quick preview of the car yesterday and it looks really good. It's like a murdered out spec. I'm really excited and looking forward to getting that video today. So I'm going to take you on a behind the scenes and let's get on with today's video. So these are all the cars from the competition. God, look at this yard. So this is the unit where they're keeping them at the moment before they move over to the new one. Look at that, M3, Focus RS's, Alfa Romeo, I like them. Aston Martins, GTR, GTD, RS3, Golf R. God, absolutely loads. So glossy when it's out. Look at that. Yeah, because this street looks really nice. What I'm going to do is going to get some photos of it, just centralised. I mean, look how good that looks. Oh, look at it. They look really small in person. I can wait for it. I'm just quickly swapping to the 70 to 200 because it's in such a nice place. I hope you can hear that. I want it centralised for this shot. Let's get some photographs now of it. I had so much fun, especially being chauffeured around in the Lamborghini Huracan. And yeah, thank you again to the competitions for inviting me down to do the videos today. Really looking forward to getting them edited, and they'll be on my Instagram as well as Click Competitions Instagram. As I said, you can get your tickets for the car to win it for literally 99p with 10% off for Black Friday. What a mental shoot. That car sounds so good as well. The V10, just, yeah, insane. It was a very wet, windy day towards the end of the day, but made most of what we could with the weather, which actually kind of turned out really nicely, especially towards the end, getting the last shot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Let's go home, finally. Bye-bye.